Greetings, fellow travelers. Today, we embark on a journey through time as we delve into the historic marvel that is Hisor Castle, located in Tajikistan. This ancient fortress, steeped in history and surrounded by breathtaking scenery, is a true gem of Central Asia. Join me as we uncover the secrets and stories held within its walls. Hisor Castle, also known as Ala-i-Hisor, has a storied past dating back over 2 millennia. Originally founded in the 7th century BC, it has witnessed numerous empires, from the Sogdians to the Islamic Caliphates and the Mongols. The castle stands as a testament to the resilience and cultural amalgamation of the peoples that once called this region home. Stepping through the ancient gates, we find ourselves within the heart of Hisor Castle. The layout reveals a network of courtyards, chambers, and halls that once housed soldiers, dignitaries, and royalty alike. As we approach Hisor Castle, the first thing that strikes us is its formidable architecture. The fortress is made of sturdy clay bricks, standing tall against the backdrop of the Pamir Mountains. Its strategic location on a hilltop affords it a commanding view of the surrounding landscape. The walls, though weathered by time, still bear witness to the architectural ingenuity of the era. The defensive towers are strategically placed, offering a glimpse into the military tactics of the past. What's particularly fascinating are the remnants of intricate carvings and inscriptions that adorn the walls. These tell the tales of battles fought, dynasties risen and fallen, and the daily lives of those who once inhabited this fortress. As we ascend to the highest points of the fortress, we're rewarded with a panoramic view of the surrounding countryside. The lush greenery and the meandering river below remind us of the strategic importance of this location. Our journey through Hisor Castle has been a captivating experience, offering a window into the rich tapestry of Tajikistan's history. This ancient fortress stands as a silent witness to the ebb and flow of time, a testament to the enduring spirit of the people of Central Asia. If you ever find yourself in Tajikistan, a visit to Hisor Castle is an absolute must. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more historical adventures like this. And share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll catch you in the next adventure.